I hope all is well for you and your loved ones. My name is Johan and I am here to tell you about TOPSOL. We created TOPS, a token designed as a reserve of asset, just like Bitcoin, but as a layer 3 under the base network of the Ethereum Foundation. TOPS is our token of practice. So what is TOPSOL? Today, it's just an initiation platform. We take the time to help anyone integrate the evolving world of cryptocurrency. As we grow in time, we plan to release an app that will allow unlimited possibilities. Buying, selling, sending, receiving, even making payments through cryptocurrency. And it all evolves around the TOPS token. Haiti is a big part of the reason why TOPSOL was created. As a Haitian of origin, it pains me to see how Haiti has so much problems when it comes to currency circulation and liquidity. This is what gave me the idea to create TOPSOL. I hope that someday Haitians are going to be able to buy and sell and be able to send crypto or other currencies at will without depending on a system that is rigged against them. It will not be easy, but it can be done. And I promise you that as long as I'm here, this project will make it to fruition. Start building wealth today. Join the movement. Get your TOPS. Right now, sending money to Haiti from anywhere is a hassle. The exchange rates are very unfair, and that's why TOPSOL is vowing to change that. We are planning to capture about 50% or more of the total volume of money sent to Haiti through transfer companies yearly. That represents about $2 billion a year. This type of volume has never been seen in the Haitian world in the cryptocurrency market, and we intend to achieve that. And if you hold a bag, there is no better time to TOPS it off. Cost average in. Now, do you think you want to be a part of it today? Or are you going to wait until the boat is sailed to say you wish you were in?